first time I saw this diagram here, I was as confused as you are right now. But then it's very easy with just one point you have to pick. Let's read. In the figure below, O is the center of the circle. This is the center of PQRS. That is the shapes we have here. That is the circle. And PS is parallel to RT. If angle PRT is 135, then find PSO. So we're looking for what? PSO, this angle here. So if you look up here, you'll find out that there is no relationship you can be able to figure out just visualizing it. But if you understand what is right here as and PS is parallel to ROT. So because of this PS, this line here is parallel to this line, we can easily know the value that is going to be here. So this line are parallel. If this line are parallel, it now means that this other line here, which is using as a diameter, is now a transversal. All right. Now, what do we know? If we have two parallel lines in that case, and this is a transversal, if you look closely, you'll find out that this angle here, as it is facing like this, it just looks similar to this angle here, because this here is in this form and this here is also in this form. We say that they are corresponding angle and they must be equal. So now in this diagram, where can we get these two angles? We can get these two angles from observing these two parallel lines, and this angle here must be equal to this angle here, because they do what? They correspond. But how can we get this angle? We are going to take this as a line angle in a straight line which equals 180. We're going to use 180 and we'll subtract from 135. So 180 subtract from 135. 100 we cancel 100. 30 minus here 55 minus we having 45 degree. So here is 45 degree. And according to what I've explained here, it means that here you're also going to give us 45 degree. Now, is that all? Let's keep on watching. What is going to happen now? We have now entered into this angle and then we are looking for this angle over here. So what did we know? Now what we know is that since this here is parallel to this diameter, we are forming angle 90 in this both side. But we want to know what this triangle is. That means our eyes is set on this triangle. So we are going to use this other 90 degree. Now, how is this going to help us? Sum this angle in a triangle equals 180 degree. Please, if you have reached to this extent, don't forget to subscribe. It's your first time you're watching from TikTok or other social media platform. Follow me and also click notification bell to see more complex questions. Now, in this case, we have to sum 45 plus 90 and plus this unknown variable, which is what we're looking for as PSO, which I've just represented as S. All of them will give us 180 degree. Now, 45 plus 90, you put 100, it becomes 135, and plus S equals 180 degree. S equals to 180 degree minus 135. Remember the value we got before here is 45 degree. Now, what does this tell you? If here is 45 degree, there is another very easy that we can be able to have gotten this angle immediately we find this. Because if you look closely, from here to here is a radius, and from here to here is a radius. And if these are radius, this triangle is an isosceles triangle, and the base of this isosceles triangle must be equal. So initially we could have just said 45 is equal to 45, but I want you to learn more of these tactics. Thank you. Let me know what's in the comment section. Now I want you to try this question over here. I want you to try it. Let me know on the comment section what your answer is. All right, so we have something